Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the Declarative Academy, your go to channel for mastering Salesforce, one module at a time. Today, we're diving into an exciting module on Trailhead titled Optimize Customer Data with Standard and Custom Objects. Whether you're an admin, developer, or just passionate about Salesforce, this video is packed with insights to help you streamline your data management. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about what you'll achieve by the end of this module. By optimizing customer data with standard and custom objects, you'll be able to describe the perks of using objects on the Salesforce CRM platform, explain the difference between standard objects and custom objects, list the types of custom fields an object can have. Sound good? Let's break each of these down. Now, imagine you're running a real estate company like Dreamhouse. You use standard Salesforce objects like contacts and leads to manage customer data. But what about tracking properties? That's where custom objects come into play. Consider objects as containers for your data. Standard objects are like the foundation, while custom objects are tailored to your specific business needs. In Salesforce CRM, objects are the building blocks of your data model. Standard objects like account, contact, lead, and opportunity come prepackaged with Salesforce, but sometimes you need something more specific. For Dreamhouse, creating a custom property object allows them to track details like address, cost, and other unique attributes of each home they're selling. Now let's get to know the different types of objects Salesforce offers. We have standard objects, custom objects, external objects, platform events, and big objects. But today, we are focusing on the two most commonly used, standard and custom objects. Standard objects are built into Salesforce and cover most common business needs. Custom objects, on the other hand, are created by you to store information unique to your organization. For instance, Dreamhouse's custom property object not only stores property details, but also integrates seamlessly with other Salesforce features like page layouts and user interfaces. All right, time to get hands-on. Let's walk through creating a custom property object, just like our friend D'Angelo, the Salesforce admin at Dreamhouse. Be sure to use the new Trailhead playground, as you will refer to it in the next unit. Scroll down to the three horizontal dots, then click on Create Playground. It should take a minute to set up in the background. Once in your new playground, navigate to the Object Manager in your Trailhead playground. Click on Create and select Custom Object. For the label, enter Property. Salesforce will autofill the object name and record name fields. Don't forget to set the plural label to properties. Before saving, make sure to check the box that says Launch New Custom Tab Wizard. This will help you set up the user interface for your new object. Choose a tab style that fits your brand, then click Next twice and finally hit Save. And there you have it, your first custom object. Next up, let's explore fields, the columns in your objects table. Every object, whether standard or custom, has fields that store specific pieces of information. Fields come in various types. Identity fields. These are unique auto-generated IDs for each record. System fields. These include timestamps like created date and last modified date. Name fields. Every record needs a name, which can be a text or an auto number. Custom fields. These are fields you create to capture data unique to your business, like a property's price or address. Each field type has its own data type, checkbox, date, formula, and more. Choosing the right data type ensures your data is stored correctly and efficiently. Let's add some custom fields to our property object. Navigate to the Object Manager and select the property object. Click on Fields and Relationships and then New. Select Currency as the data type and click Next. Fill in the field label as price and add a description like the listed sale price of the home. Make sure to check the required box to ensure this field is always filled out. Click Next twice and then Save. You'll now see your new price field in the list, marked with __C to indicate it's a custom field. The task involves creating a custom object named Offer for Dreamhouse Realty, which includes defining its properties such as an auto number record name formatted as OF0000 starting from. Additionally, a custom currency field labeled Offer Amount and a custom date field labeled Target Close Date are to be created to enhance the functionality of the offer object. Let's take this one step at a time so you feel confident with every part of the process. Just follow along with me. To start, scroll down and launch your Salesforce Playground or pick your preferred org. First, navigate to Object Manager. In your Trailhead Playground, click on the gear icon at the top right and select Setup. From the Setup menu, find and click on Object Manager. Next, let's create a new object. In the Object Manager, click on the Create button in the top right corner and select Custom Object from the drop-down menu. Now, let's fill in the object details. For the label, enter offer. Notice how the object name and record name fields auto-populate based on the label. For plural label, enter offers to keep it consistent and clear. Moving on to record name for the field label, enter offer name, then for the data type, select auto number. This ensures each offer record has a unique identifier without manual entry. Next, display format, enter OF 0000. This will format your offer records as of 0001, of 0002, and so on. Starting number, enter 1. Before saving, scroll down and check the box that says Launch New Custom Tab Wizard. This will help you create a user-friendly tab for your new offer object. Now save the object, click on Save. Salesforce will now guide you through setting up the new tab. Step 2. Set up the custom tab. Select tab style. On the new custom object. Tab page, choose a tab style that represents your offer object. This icon will appear in your Salesforce navigation bar. Complete the wizard, click Next, then Next again to skip adding to apps for now, and finally, click Save. Your offer object and tab are now created. Step 3. Create a custom currency field. Navigate to Fields and Relationships. Still within the Object Manager, select your newly created offer object. In the sidebar, click on Fields and Relationships. Now, let's add a new field. Click on the New button in the top right. Next, select the data type, choose Currency as the data type and click Next. Now let's enter the field. Details, field label, offer amount, field name, offer _ amount. This will auto-populate based on the label. Description, enter a description like the amount offered by the buyer for the property. For the required field, check the box to make this field mandatory. Set field level security. Decide which profiles can view and edit this field. For simplicity, leave the defaults and click Next. Add to page layouts. Ensure the field is added to the necessary page layouts and click Save. Step 4. Create a custom date field. Add another new field. Back in the Fields and Relationships section of your offer object, click New again. Next, select the data type, choose Date as the data type and click Next. Now, let's enter field details. Field label, target close date field. Name, target _ close _ date description. Enter a description like the expected date to close the sale. Set field level security. Again, adjust visibility as needed and click Next. Add to page layouts. Ensure this field is visible on the relevant page layouts and click Save. Step 5. Verify your custom object and fields. Navigate to the Offer tab. Go to the App Launcher, the grid icon in the navigation bar. Find and select the Offers tab you created. Create a new offer record. click on the New button. You should see the offer name auto-generated as of 0001. Enter an offer amount, say $250,000, and set a target close date, such as December 31st, 2024. Click Save. Review the record. Your new offer record should display all the information you entered, neatly organized in the fields you created. You did it! You created a custom offer object with specific fields to track offer amounts and target close dates. This practice helps reinforce your learning and prepares you to manage real-world situations in Salesforce. Great job, everyone. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. You now understand the importance of standard and custom objects in Salesforce, how to create and customize them, and how to add fields to capture essential data. These skills are crucial for optimizing your customer data and enhancing your Salesforce experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Declarative Academy for more Salesforce tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or want to share your progress, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love hearing from you. And if you're ready to elevate your Salesforce skills, be sure to check out our other videos and playlists and join our community of trailblazers. Thanks for watching and happy trailblazing. See you in the next video.